The 2026 Overland Beast 6x6 camper is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. Built for explorers who see the horizon as only the beginning, this machine is designed to dominate every environment while wrapping its passengers in futuristic luxury. Its raw power, rugged durability, and high-end living fused into one unstoppable force. From the first glance, the Overland Beast lives up to its name. Its six-wheel stance commands attention, with massive all-terrain tires built to claw through sand, snow, rock, and mud without hesitation. The armored body panels are sculpted with brutal precision, reinforced for survival in the harshest landscapes. The front grille stretches wide with integrated LED strips blazing like eyes in the dark, while roof-mounted solar panels and auxiliary floodlights declare its readiness for any expedition, day or night. Step inside, and the contrast is breathtaking. The interior feels less like a camper and more like a futuristic luxury suite. The lounge is wrapped in high-grade leather and technical fabrics, with panoramic smart glass windows that shift from clear to opaque with a voice command. Ambient lighting flows like a living pulse, and a massive curved OLED display transforms the living space into a cinema or command center at the push of a button. The kitchen blends practicality with sophistication. With a dual-zone induction stove, advanced refrigeration, water purification, and hidden storage compartments, it's designed to sustain long expeditions. Polished stone-inspired counters and matte black finishes add elegance to the rugged functionality. At the rear, the master suite feels like a sanctuary carved out of the wilderness. A king-size bed floats under a panoramic roof, offering a view of the stars wherever you park. Adaptive climate zones keep the environment perfect, while the en-suite bathroom brings spa-level comfort with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and sleek modern fixtures. The cockpit is every adventurer's dream. A holographic AR windshield projects real-time terrain maps, navigation, and vehicle performance, while the retractable steering system hands full control to autonomous driving when you want to relax. AI-driven systems manage energy, safety, and route optimization, ensuring your journey is as smooth as it is powerful. Under the hood, the Overland Beast 6x6 camper is powered by a hybrid hydrogen-electric system that delivers brutal torque to all six wheels. Adaptive suspension adjusts in milliseconds, keeping the ride stable whether you're gliding across highways or crawling up jagged cliffs. With solar integration, regenerative braking, and long-range hydrogen fuel cells, it's built for weeks of off-grid exploration. Safety and survival are engineered into its DNA. 360-degree radar, LiDAR, and drones provide constant awareness, mapping both your surroundings and the terrain ahead. Roof-mounted security systems and reinforced underbody plating mean the Overland Beast can withstand conditions that would destroy ordinary campers. The 2026 Overland Beast 6x6 camper is more than transportation. It's a fortress, a home, and a declaration of freedom built into one unstoppable package. For those who refuse limits, who see adventure not as a getaway but as a way of life, this is the machine that makes the impossible possible. This isn't just overlanding. This is conquering the world, one horizon at a time. The Overland Beast 6x6 camper is the future of extreme travel, raw, refined, and ready for everything.